If you're posting content which is inappropriate and does not meet the community guidelines, then Instagram might delete, disable, or ban your Instagram account for spamming. But if the account is disabled without any reason, in this video I'm going to show you how you can recover it. Alright, so I've left a link in the description, so simply go to that link and it will redirect you to this page. Now you have to fill this form. Just place your full name and then your email address. After that you have to put your Instagram username and your contact number. And after doing this, you have to tell the reason why your account is banned or deactivated. So either you can copy the same wording from here or you can just write according to yourself. It's up to you. And after submitting the request, your Instagram account will be reactivated within few hours. So this is basically how you can reactivate your Instagram account. So all for today's video, guys. Make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.